condition. Hey, 319, Buzzer called you earlier. I just didn't have no condition. That was you, no doubt about it. Hello to you, 319. Hello to you, 319. You're buzzed up around. Who said I can't key on your ass, County, Oregon? And I'm right back. Come on.
Well, you know, it gets up and down from time to time, man. I got that.
And that right, 319. I just put that duck chuck in a 45 built 20-foot 4-element. You know that stretch. Sanctioned by Mr. Prime Minister himself. I just put it up, man. I decided I'd get out here and drop this cat, make it hammer. Hello to you, 319 once again. Ain't nobody but me. Your buzz it up around. Who said I can't key on your ass, County? And I just banked all the way left, 319. Good day.
Hey, Buzzy, I'm gonna get my knee to pumping. I'm just passing through. You take it easy, take it like Buzzy. 319, sitting in the mag. I'm 10-7 and gone. No copy, time to go 1 post.
And that's right, 319. And that's a buzzer ride, no doubt about it. All right, then, 319, go on, man. I'm gonna get on out here for a minute, too. 319, your buzz it around the northwest corner, and I bang.
Wrecking ball, he said 410. Wrecking ball. Hey, 27, look at that right there, man. I just smashed your thumb. You better go get a Band-Aid, because I just smashed your duck fucking thumb on that cotton digging in. Put on you later, 27. I just busted your thumbnail, and I got down. I'll see ya. 147. Hey, time to go 147.
Hello, 147. Hello, 147. Hello to you, 147. Your buzz the northwest corner, and I bang.
Look at that right there. I smashed you on the thumb. 827. I didn't smash you on the thumb on that cotton digging in. Put on y'all later. I gotta go 10-7. I gotta go get ready for Street Outlaws, no prep kings. I gotta go get ready for Street Outlaws, no prep kings. I ain't missed an episode in years. Tommy Gunn on his great big derail. This derail is a no prep king drag radio, and I'm 10-7 and gone.
And that a riot, Tommy Gunn. Hey, Tommy Gunn, I'm gonna see if I can't get you to pass the 5 to that 27 until that cat me got that friendly 5. Hey, Tommy Gunn, I just want to see if I can't get you to pass the friendly 5 before you get all the way out of there. Hello to you, Tommy Gunn, your buzz the northwest corner, and I bang.
Jerry Bird doesn't live but about 50 miles from me, and I bought my race car from his cousin, and his cousin's race car shop ain't but about 2 blocks from me. Jerry Bird and the Bird brothers at 410.
California got all the conditions sold up, so I'm gonna get on out of here. California got all the conditions sold up, so I need to get on out of here, your buzz at northwest corner. And I bank left.
Hey, 27, that glass is standing up. That glass is standing up. That cotton digger got goosebumps on my arms listening to you. Put on you later, 27. I got to agree with you on Ryan Martin. But then you got that snot-nosed bat from California, Justice Swanson. And I don't like him. Put on you later, 27. Tommy Gunn, I'm going to Waterfall. And then I'm going to No Prep Kings. I'll see you. Good day. All the rules up every time we run. say one more person that I don't like, and he's on Justin Swanson's team, and that's that Robbie Robertson. That Robbie Robertson that made that young kid drive around scales a couple years ago. I can't stand him for that. Put on you later, 27. Tommy Gunn on his great wheel is 10-7 and gone. Tommy Gunn, hello, hello.
That duck chuck in 27 got that hammer down. I guess I got to leave that cat nigga alone. That duck chuck in 27 got that duck chuck and hammer down, so I'm about to leave him alone. Yo, buzz it up around the northwest cone and I just bang.
Hey, Buzzard, I'm going to wave a hand one more time, and I got my hand on the switches. Hey, Buzzard, I'm going to wave one more time, and I got my hand on the switches, and I got to get in. Buzzard and Mo Buzzard, Tommy Gunn, great big derail, 10-7 and gone.
Tommy Gunn, you in that great big derail. Your buzz it up around the northwest corner. And I just bank left with you. Good day.
Who is that far turn on? Who's that around and go with Gay Bridge? Gay Bridge, Tommy Gunn in the swamp with the nose problem, right? Ho, 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 ho.
You better get all them squeals out of there. Man, you sound like an electric post, man, about to blow. Your buzz it and I bang.
Hey, Buzzard, who's squealing? Hey, Buzzard, who's squealing? Buzzard, please tell me I'm not squealing. Tommy Gunn, breaker?
No, Tommy, you not. No, Tommy, it's not you. Somebody else tried to come in there. When you got up off that cat nigga mall, he had hogs, he had squeals. I thought he was trying to kill them cat niggas. All right, Tommy, you ain't got nothing. You clean and clear. You on this gate, Tommy Gunn. Your buzzer, then I bang.
Bye, Buzzard. Bye, Buzzard. I'll make a run at the pump house. Hey, Buzzard, I'll make a run at the pump house. Bye, Buzzard. Tommy Gunn, great big derail is 10-7 and gone.
Can I ride with the king of Cincinnati every now and again? Me and a modified phone. I'm like I'll be in the mail.
Hey, Superman, you sound horrible, bro. Hey, Superman, you sound horrible, bro. I don't know what's wrong with your audio, man, but that was you earlier, Superman, that key, no doubt about it. Superman, your buzzer say you sound horrible, Superman. I'm gone.
All at once.
No contact, get back on to Royal Davis, so Superman is
Buzzard, I'm turning to the left, but tell Superman he can bootlegging. Buzzard, Tommy Gunn say Superman can come bootlegging. Right.
And then right, Tommy Gunn, you said that duck sucker Superman been bootlegging. I don't know if he bootlegging or not. I hope he bootlegging not, because he don't normally sound like that, Tommy Gunn. He got all kind of noise in that duck sucker station. All right, Tommy Gunn, let me get on out of here, Tommy Gunn. Your buzz at Northwest Cone and I bang.
I just wanted to clear it up. This is my last key. He can turn his wheel off and he can come bootleg on my station. Bye, Buzzard. I'm 10-7.
You told me to tell Superman that he can turn that station off and he can come bootleg off of yours. That's what you said, Tommy Gunn. Your buzz at Northwest Front Corner past your 5 break.
Where am I? Who's working this out of the pond? Got down. Terrell Davis, I'm just trying to be like you, big brother. Terrell Davis, just want to be like you. Terrell Davis.
Applejacks will not be sold to bullets. Superman in Georgia said, I'm out of here. Superman has left the building.
Hey, Buzzer, tell my friend, tell me. Function at the break on Saturday. Catch you later. later, Buzzard. I ain't keying no more. I'm gone.
Yeah, right. You told me to tell Tommy Gunn you would be at the break. Yeah, some cat make it keyed up. That's all I got. No doubt about it. Hey, Yellow Jacket, that's all I kind of got, man. No doubt about it. You might have to do it again before you go 10-7. Hello to you, Mr. Yellow Jacket. Yo, buzzed it up around. Who said I can't key on your ass counting? And I'm waiting on you to come right back. Come on.
1500 with a Al Capone with a
Take care of Wrecking Ball, Superman, and Moose Superman said, I'm going now.
old kid Dynamite. See that magic bubble?
Nobody but Tango Ray waving his hand, man. I've been listening up here, man. Enjoying my technicians, tip my tech, man. That guy figure know he doing it. Keep doing what you're doing, kid Dynamite. Tango Ray in the bayou gone.
Watch up. Knock, knock, knock.
Hey, Kid Tangeray, tell that cat nigga Dynamite Buzzer say hello. Hey, Kid Tangeray, tell that cat nigga Dynamite I said hello. Yo, buzz it up around the northwest cone and I bang.
Hey, kid Dynamite, I know you heard him. Kid Dynamite, I know you heard him, man. All you prepared no fire. That guy big told me to tell you, man. Buzzer say hello. I see you.
I'm right out.
I know you heard you. I know you heard you, no doubt about it. Tell him to keep on doing what he's doing. I see you.
I got other cat niggas in my ear, no doubt about it. All right, man, you press the 5 for me. I appreciate it. I'm gonna get out your ears, man. Yo, buzz it up around. Who said I can't key on your ass County, Oregon? And I just bank left.
10-10 for you, no doubt about it. Brother, 10-10 for you. Man, I can't figure out you got a hammer out there. 591 gone.
And that Orion 591, no doubt about it. Terrell Davis, a bad cat nigga, man. Hey, 591, that duck chicken Terrell Davis is a bad rascal, no doubt about it. Hello to you once again, 591. Yo, buzz it up around the northwest cone, and I just banked all the way left now. 591, good day.
10. That's what it's all about, big brother. By the bone, the train is walking out the door.
I'm sure glad you gone, Train. Hey, Train, I'm sure glad you gone. Train, I just picked up all that roadkill you left. Train, your buzzard, and I bank left.
Hey, brother. Hey, brother, you take care while you pick up the roadkill I left, and that deal sure real. Brother, while you banking left, freight train, turn the train to the right. I'm gone.
Hey, Freight Train, did you see that shadow come over your house? Did you see me bank left? Freight Train, your buzzard up around. Who said I can't key on your ass County, Oregon? And I'm gone.
I see the shadow. Hey, brother, I'm looking out the window at my swimming pool, and I see the shadow went over my swimming pool. Brother, freight train saying, you can key on what you want. Brother, the train is gone. Take care. I'm heading to the Mobile and go and check a few of my traps. Brother, the train is walking out the door.
As I end this gate, you'll buzz it up around the northwest corner. Up around who said I can't key on your ass County, Oregon, and I bank left.